Welcome to the assembly guide for your Ambassador car by Funride. Let's get your car ready for action. The main body, the fork, the steering, the support cover. Attach the support cover to the main body as shown. Now insert the fork into the front section of the body. Open the nut and bolt from the steering section. Insert the steering into the fork. Secure the steering with the nut and bolt. Tighten firmly so it turns smoothly. Open the battery cover on the steering by unscrewing the screw. Insert the batteries, making sure you match the correct polarity. Close the battery cover and tighten the screw. That's it. Your Ambassador car is fully assembled and ready for a fun ride.